Let's color the Easter bunny together. Listen to my commands and make sure you color the right colors. We're going to start with the bunny's head. The bunny's head. The bunny's head. Color the bunny's head pink. Pink. The bunny's head is pink. Now, color the bunny's ears. The bunny's ears. Yellow. Color the bunny's ears yellow. We're gonna color the bunny's teeth. Teeth. The bunny's teeth. Red. We're gonna color the teeth red. Color the bunny's nose. The nose. The bunny's nose. Brown. Color the nose brown. The bunny has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So color the 4 legs dark blue. Dark blue. This is light blue and this is dark blue. Light and dark. Color the legs dark blue. Now let's color the paws. The paws. The bunny has 4 paws. And I know in your drawing you're gonna color the bottom of the back paw. You're gonna do it yellow. Color the bottom of the paw yellow. Color the bunny's tie. The bunny's tie black. Black. And the bunny's shirt, the shirt color dark green. This is light green and this is dark green. Color the shirt green. Color the bunny's tail. The tail, color the tail light green. Light green. Color the bunny's basket purple. Purple. The basket is purple. Now count how many eggs are in the bunny's basket. How many eggs can you see? 1, 2, 3. You can choose your 3 favorite colors to color the 3 bunnies' eggs and have fun.